Toronto, the city within a forest, with a population of nearly 6 million and over 8,000 hectares of green space, millions of Torontonians pass by, around, and over an amazing tapestry of ravines and urban forests, often too busy with the challenges of day-to-day living to reflect on these places as blessings, pockets of vibrant life that are quintessential to Toronto.
Our ravines and urban forests are our greatest civic treasure. They provide us with opportunities to connect with our natural world and each other. They purify our water and clean our air.
The wilderness outside the window, under the bridge, down the alley, or even right in our own backyard are far more the soul of the city than any of the buildings, roads, or historic landmarks.
They have captured and preserved the relics of human history spanning millennia past. They define, sustain, protect, and inspire us all.
I'm Terry Terron.
And I'm Izzy Brownlee.
And we're professional guides and certified outdoor educators. And we welcome you to Take a Walk on the Wild Side with Wild Ones Wilderness. The woodchuck. Woodchucks, the eastern form of the marmot, have a thick body and powerful claws for digging burrows that can be as long as 15 meters. They graze along forest edges and along clearings, using their sharp incisors to rapidly cut plants, bark, and berries. Woodchucks are true hibernators and spend most of their year tucked away underground. Human development and the clearing of forests has increased habitat for these woodland woodchucks. They are now quite common in areas where they used to be fairly rare. Where you can find them are in meadows, pastures, open woodlands, and throughout Ontario, also known as the Groundhog.
The Canada Goose. At dusk, Canada geese fly in a V formation back to water after a long day of foraging. The echo of their honking is a prevalent Ontario sound. A pair of Canada geese will remain together for life, each year raising, teaching, and aggressively defending 2 to 11-year young. The Canada goose was split into 2 species in 2004, a larger subspecies known as the Canada geese, while a smaller subspecies has been renamed the cackling geese. Where they're found is lakeshores, riverbanks, ponds, farmlands, and city parks. They breed throughout Ontario and overwinter in the south.